Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, brown color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. It's first A for apple, A for ant, and use red color, colors of A for apple, A for aeroplane. Kids again use red color and draw B for ball, B for bat, colors of B. Kids neither C for cat, C for car, colors of C, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw D for dog, D for doll, colors of D. Kids neither E for egg, E for elephant, colors of E, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw F for fish, F for fan, colors of F. Kids neither G for God, G for glass, colors of G, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw H for hand, H for helicopter, colors of H. Kids neither I for ice, I for ice cream, and again use green color. Kids neither J for joker, J for jackfruit, colors of J, and use green color. Kids again use brown color and draw K for kite, K for king, colors of K. Kids neither L for lion, colors of L, and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw M for moon, colors of M. Kids neither N for nose, N for nest, colors of N, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw O for orange, O for octopus, colors of O. Kids neither P for parrot, P for penguin, colors of P, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw Q for queen, colors of Q. Kids neither R for rose, R for rice, colors of R, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw S. S for sun. The letters of S. Kids neither T. T for teacher. T for tiger. The letters of T. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw U. U for umbrella. The letters of U. Kids neither V. V for van. V for vanilla. The letters of V. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw W. W for wolf. The letters of W. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. The letters of X. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw Y. Y for yak. The letters of Y. Kids now draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. And again use black color. Black color. Kids now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. Red color. O-N-E 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use blue color. Blue color. T-H-R-E 3. Kids again use blue color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow color. Yellow color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids again use yellow color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S-I-X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9. And use black color. Black color. N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use brown color and draw 10. T-E-N 10. The last numbers of 10. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.